Hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's so good to be back with you all. A huge shout out to my day one supporters and a very warm welcome to everyone clicking on a video of mine for the first time. Here we are all about looking and feeling our best. And today's hair inspiration is next level. So are you ready? If you are tired of choosing between the neat look of braids and the glamorous flow of a weave, well, you don't have to choose anymore. Today's video, we are talking about the half braid half sew in style. It is literally the best of both worlds, and honestly, every lady needs to try this hairstyle. What makes the style so beautiful and stunning is the contrast. You get those clean, artistic braids in the front that frame your face perfectly, paired with a lush, bouncing sew-in at the back. It looks high-end, it looks classic, it looks chic. It works for any occasion, from a busy day at work to a fancy night out. Plus, this hairstyle helps keep your hair off your face while still giving you that long hair feeling, that lush chic feeling, that baby girl feeling, yes. Here is how to keep this hairstyle looking fresh. It is so easy, easier than you think. First thing first, focus on your scalp. Use a light oil or spray to keep your braids hydrated. Secondly, treat the sew-in like your natural hair. Yes. Brush the weave on gently from the ends to avoid tangles. Always remember to sleep with a silk or satin scarf. It keeps the braids from freezing and the tracks from matting. It helps your hair look fresh all day, all week. And do not keep your hair for so long. You can carry this hair for like 4 to 5 weeks and take it down so your face doesn't look dull, because most times old hair or old braids make our face looking dull. The best part of this hairstyle is a huge time saver in the morning. You wake up looking put together and confident without having to do much. Whether you go for deep waves, straight hair, or even coily bundles, this look is all about celebrating your beauty and making life a little easier for you, because it is very easy to maintain. So, if you are looking for your next wow, amazing, adorable, eye-catching hairstyle, this is it. Trust me, you are going to love the way you look. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. I will see you in the next video.